Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Kraken support center for help. So go ahead and log in with your account. Click the account at the bottom right. And if you haven't updated your Kraken, make sure that you update your Kraken to the latest version. I'm gonna search right here for Kraken and I'm gonna double check if I don't have the updated. Make sure that you do. Go ahead and open up your Kraken. And again, go to the account, scroll a bit down to the support and then click support center. And here you're gonna see the most common questions: cash withdrawal, options, fees, minimus, and processing times. And you're gonna be able right here to read the article to know how to withdraw to a bank account. Okay, you're gonna be able right here to see it. And basically, right here, for enhanced security, debit and credit card purchases using USD and PayPal deposits may experience the 72-hour lock discussed above on all purchases, right? And you're gonna be able right here to see the options to withdraw, right? And you can say right here availability USA only, and the withdrawal fee right here for free, and basically for USA, and the withdrawal method, processor, Fed wire, and the minimum amount for withdrawal is 20 bucks, and withdrawal fee is $4. And as you can see, for the US dollars, definitely you need to use the American banks. And this is for most common questions. And for you, if you want to talk with the support center, just go ahead and click chat with us, and then click contact support, and they will reach out to you as soon as they can. As you can see right here, I chatted with the support center right here. I submitted my ID information, and it took more than a week to confirm right here. And they can, as you can see right here, they will send their agent. They will transfer to a specialist so they can help. It says right here, we're currently receiving a high number of requests, which has led to an increased wait time to speak for a specialist. And as you can see right here, that person helped me, right? And right here, basically they solved that issue. To complete the account verification, they require face photo, and I completed that face photo right here. And basically after you've done that, basically they will solve the solve the problem that you're facing. And then basically right here, they will basically help you out with solving your problem. And if you want to initiate a new conversation and you have a new problem, just go ahead and start a new conversation. The bot will respond to your issue, and they will refer to an agent or specialist if you have a problem with your account, and they will walk you through how they can fix your account. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.